Hello, it's Flo for How to Come. Today I will introduce you the Sense 4 with ice cream sandwich. So let's go. This presentation is in four different parts. This is light version of Sense 4 because this is an ice cream. This is a HTC Desire HD, excuse me, with ice cream sandwich and Sense 4.0 by the ROM, which is Primo S version 1.1. So, okay, let's go. Here is the first screen when you turn on your smartphone. There is a ring. You can pull the ring to unlock the phone, or you can put one of these icon. These are shortcuts, and you can go to the application. As for internet, you put it in the ring, and let's go to internet. So, pull the ring, and we have the desktop. This desktop is a sense for widgets with ice cream sandwich. This widget is, for example, sense 4. Okay, so the first part is about widget and personalization. So to personalize your smartphone, you just have to put your finger on the desktop. Then, okay, it's maybe long because this is a beta version. Then you have another screen where you can find 5 different screens. Those are screens on your desktop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can show an icon just over there, a white one, which says you where you are on the screen. Okay, so you press it and you can add on the screen that you want. For example, for this one, you can add widgets, you can add apps or shortcuts. For example, I can add widgets as this calendar, and let's go to the screen. Okay, which calendar I want to synchronize, for example, all calendars, and let's go. We can see that on the screen there is the calendar. Okay, we can add apps. All your apps are here, so you can add, for example, settings. This is just example, and shortcuts. Shortcuts is, for example, to restart your phone, to pull off this one, to access to your Dropbox folder, to call a friend directly. So, for example, direct dial, you can add a friend. Which one can I say? Okay, so for example, if I want to add me, okay, let's go. Okay, call home and let's go. So on this screen we have the first widget, which is the widget about calendar, settings, apps, and shortcut to call me. Okay, if you press this one, for example, you can call me, and let's go, you can call me. Okay, I can remove all those things, for example, shortcuts, to remove it here. Okay, the apps is the same, and for calendar it's the same thing. We can, for some widgets, for example, for widgets are here. If I want to add a calendar here, okay, all calendar, I can change the size of this calendar. If I have a long press, I can change the size like that. Okay, if I want to add another apps, for example, talk, okay, and I want to put talk here, okay, let's go, and we change the place of the apps. Okay, we can add apps by market as previous version, but this is not market, this is play shop. Okay, let's go to play shop, and we can download all apps that we want, and when we install an app, we can find all the apps on the drawer. Sorry, this is long maybe. Here is the drawer. Here you can find all your apps. There is different things for all your apps, frequently used, for example, and download. Okay, to remove an apps, it's so easy. You take the apps, press along, and you can put an install here. You can install an app, and you can cancel what you are doing. Okay, there is a menu here. You can sort all apps how you want, by alphabetical thing, by that, for example. You can go to market, directly link here, or you can search your app. Okay, What is more with that? Oh yes, personalization. Okay, so we can go to personalize our phone. We can change wallpaper. You have to put menu wallpaper and you choose wallpaper you want. For example, HTC wallpapers. Here are HTC wallpapers. To change it, you just have to apply it. And let's go. We change the wallpaper. Okay. I just want to use the first one. It's better. Okay, wallpaper, HTC wallpaper, and okay, you can get more wallpaper by this button. Okay, apply, and let's go. You can go to personalize. You have to press menu, system settings, and there you have personalize. Here you can change a lot of things as seen. You can get more scenes, but now this is Lite version. I have said that to you. You can change the skin. You can have HTC current. You can have aluminum or matte. There is more by get more. Okay, what other things? Wallpaper, lock screen. You can change shortcuts by. You can change all these shortcuts, excuse me. But this is a Lite version. So for this moment, I can show you. Home screen is the same when press along here. Okay, this is for personalization and widgets. Yes, you can add folder. This are folder. For example, folder is lot of apps for shortcuts. You can add a folder. For example, on all these places. For example, you can remove Gmail and put folder here. To add an application into a folder, it's so easy. You just have to click on this file, this app, and go into the folder, and the app is in the folder. To remove it, you press and you remove it. Okay, you can change the name of the folder here. Okay, Google, new name. Okay, and the name is changed here. Okay, I just want to use Google, so I have to remove that. Okay, for this part. New part is message and mail. Okay, so you can go there and you have messages, or you can go to apps and search messages. Here are messages. All these people are people who sends messages. You can compose a new message here, which people you want to send the message, and you can add the text. For example, pupil, you add the pupil. For example, you add the pupil you want, and then you can add the text. With long press, you have different choices to know which character you want to add. You can send a message. You can add by this button a multimedia file, but you can't send MMS messages. You have menu here to search messages, to have quick text, for example. Okay, you can insert a smiley, for example. Okay, what more about that? Yes, for mail. Okay, so system setting. You go to account and synchronization, and then you can have Google account. If you don't have Google account, you can add one by this button. You can add Google, and then you can connect your phone to an existing account, or to create a new account. When your account is created, you can go there and you can synchronize your mail, for example, your contact and your calendar. Okay, so if I want to use Gmail, for example, I have a shortcut here. Here is Gmail. I have this button to add new messages. Here to search messages or labels. Here is refresh, and here is menu. For example, labels, and go to see all your labels. For example, YouTube labels. Okay, it is loading my conversation. On menu, you can label settings, general settings, about confirm deleting, all those things. And you have Gmail widgets. for example, or mail widgets only. Sorry, this is slow, but this is not the full version of Sense 4. Sense 4 is very faster. So Gmail, for example. Okay, flow.com, and I want to use YouTube. Okay, so here is my Gmail widget. Okay, just have to synchronize it. I think you can add new messages, and you have all your messages right there. You can change the size of this widget by this button, for example. Okay, I want to remove it. Okay, new part is about calendar. Calendar is as Gmail. You must to have an account, and then you can add widget of calendar. This is my calendar, for example. You can go to pupil, for example, pupils. Okay, contact maybe, no, there, pupil. Okay, here is the list about all the pupil. No, okay, you can slide on the pupil switch here like that, or you can use the sensor just right there to change to the pupil. You can know which phone book you can use. For example, I use my mail and my phone contact. You can search pupil by this button. You can add pupil here for take picture. For example, you can take camera, come from gallery, or use camera to take a picture. You can choose the contact chipped. You can use phone mobile and lot of things to save a new contact. Then you can link contact together by menu. You can use Google here and linked this contact with another one. By example, I want to contact this one with this one. I don't know, this is not the same. Sorry, so my camera has no more battery, so I am linking this man with this one. So we have just to link this man and check down. There we have a new name here, linked here, and we can, for example, menu, edit contact, and here we can change the name of the contact if we want the first one or the second one, or we can edit it. Then you can link your Google contact with email address with number phone. So I have to cancel that and unlink those people. Okay, this is done. So now is for social part. Okay, social part. You have created a Twitter account and Facebook account just for what. You can add me on Twitter, but I don't use Facebook. So you can use Twitter. For example, I want to add widget about Twitter and Facebook. So for example, I can use Facebook here and this one for Twitter. Where is Twitter? Twitter. Okay, here. Okay, tweets done, and let's go. Okay, here is Twitter. So you have last updates about Twitter and about Facebook. For example, here I can remove this one and maybe change the size of this one. No. Okay, you have other widgets. For example, you have Google Plus widgets, and you have friends stream. Okay, you can go to Facebook here and you have all the application about Facebook. You can change your status, upload photos, check in, and look at last updates. You can comment, click like, and all the things like on browser. Okay, what more is yes, I want to tell you about YouTube, internet, and weather. Okay, so you have seen here weather. You can update weather by this button is refresh. You can change place for weather. Here you have the list of city where you can have weather. You can add city by this button, add. You can search city. For example, I want to go to Cairo, loading, and you have the weather on Cairo. I hope yes. Okay, it's loading. Unable to display current weather. I want to refresh it. Refresh again, please. Okay, here is the river on Cairo. Okay, so you can change on all cities here. You can remove cities, you can change settings, and you can do a lot of things. You can, for example, check for hourly, 4 days, or no. You can change these icons like that. You can press it, and you can, oh no, okay, yes, and you can change the place of icons like that. And now 4 day is the first one. Okay, it's press and all icon to rearrange. Okay, so that's okay for that. YouTube, excuse me, internet. You can go to your browser, excuse me, and here is internet. You can have mobile view or you can view desktop site. I don't know why, but it doesn't work right now. Okay, and YouTube. You can go to YouTube by application. Okay, YouTube is right here, so it's very good. You have the with last news, for example my last video for Add to Come. You can go to the browse and account. Here are your last uploads. Here your favorite video, your playlist, and subscription. Okay, I must rearrange playlist maybe. You have other things, and you have seen here this button for record, searching, feedbacks, and help. What can I show you more? Yes, the widget for YouTube, for example. You can add widget. Okay, excuse me. Okay, widget. Okay, you can change widgets here and go only for example for YouTube, and here are YouTube widgets. Okay, you can search widget here. Let's go. What other things can I show you? Messenger, no. Okay, I think I have shown you a lot of things, and this is good to start with. Thanks for. Here are videos. You can change videos like that. Okay, if I have forgot something, just say me what you want to know more, and I will show you in my future video. Thanks for have seen this video, and we want to see you on our blog for Add to Come. Thanks again. It's Flo for Add to Come.